Group 10 Metals is a member of the Metallic group of companies with the shared business approach of acquiring district-scale brownfields assets at the bottom of the metals cycle and applying a systematic approach to exploration. Modern technologies and exploration models are brought to bear with all three companies targeting world-class discoveries. Group 10 Metals is a growth-stage exploration company focused on our 100% owned Stillwater West project in the Stillwater Igneous Complex in Montana, adjacent to Sibanye-Stillwater. In addition, the company owns the Black Lake-Drayton Gold project in Ontario, which adjoins Treasury Metals' recently consolidated Goliath Goldland project. Stillwater is the highest-grade platinum group element district in the world and the largest outside of South Africa and Russia. Sibanye-Stillwater operates 3 mines on the JM Reef deposit and also operate a smelter and refinery complex nearby. Group 10 has focused its exploration efforts on the lower portion of the magmatic layers at Stillwater, where we are the first to systematically explore for Platte Reef-style deposits, large and very large polymetallic deposits of palladium, platinum, rhodium, gold, nickel, and copper, 10 million ounces in size and larger, based on the known parallels with South Africa's Bushveld complex and an extensive database at Stillwater. Geochemical soil surveys show very high levels of metals in soils, including nickel, copper, palladium, platinum, and gold, across target areas that are multiple kilometers in size and often coincident with conductive high anomalies shown in geophysical surveys. Group 10 has distilled the database, including more than 30,000 meters of drill data to date, into a total of 14 multi-kilometer scale target areas, 8 of which target the Platte Reef model that we are bringing to the district, and 6 that target the conventional, more narrow, reef-type mineralization that Stillwater and Bushveld are more generally known for. Our 2019 drill program successfully provided the proof of concept we were looking for, and returned some of the best mineralized intercepts ever recorded in the district. We also relogged and reassayed past core to apply our new geologic model and develop preliminary block models in the 5 areas which demonstrated sufficient continuity in drill data for more than 200 holes. Our focus for 2020 is the delivery of formal resources at the 3 most advanced target areas, being HGR, Camp, and Discovery. At each of these target areas, we see long intervals, tens and hundreds of meters, of nickel and copper sulfide mineralization enriched in palladium, platinum, rhodium, gold, and cobalt. We have an earlier stage target at Crescent that we are now advancing towards a future drill campaign, and we have drill-defined high-grade gold in a shear zone at the Pine target. Our work recently opened up the potential for high-grade gold across the broader magmatic package outside of the confines of the shear zone at Pine, which is a very exciting discovery that we look forward to expanding upon. The system is broadly mineralized, and we are successfully targeting those areas that are potentially economic, with pods of mineralization tens to hundreds of meters thick and kilometers long, following the Platte Reef target model. All mineralized zones are open for expansion to adjacent conductive highs that have not been systematically tested to date. For 2020, we are permitted to step out from past work and test those conductive highs, which we believe are likely to contain mineralization based on our work elsewhere on the property. 3D geophysical modeling demonstrates significant potential at depth, with continuity of the magmatic layers reaching kilometers down into the Stillwater complex beneath known mineralized zones. We are positioned to deliver on our key objectives for 2020 as we are funded and permitted with approximately $3 million in the bank and an additional $4.7 million of in-the-money warrants. We've come a long way from our initial acquisition in June of 2017, attracting a truly world-class team, proving the Platte Reef model, and block modeling mineralization in the most advanced target areas. For 2020, we are focused on converting those drill-defined mineralized zones to formal resources and expanding that mineralization into untested areas. We are also identifying and prioritizing new targets. 2019 was a breakout year for us, and we look forward to even bigger growth in 2020. Thank you all for your time, and please feel free to contact us for more information.